Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. So today we are going to discuss about PhD admission of Kannur University. So Kannur University already declared its PhD admission for 2020 and the last date of this notification is 4th of March. So let's discuss in detail. So what you have to do, you have to visit to the site thedynamicstudy.com and then you have to click on the PhD admission link. So after clicking on the link, this blog will appear and this is the first notification. So they have already asked for the applications from JRF holders and the last date of submission is 4th of March. And if we talk about the submission online date, it is started from 20th Feb to 4th of March. And the last date of submission is 4th March. Eligibility. So if you have a master's degree equivalent to Kannur University and 55% of marks, then you can apply. So basically the subjects are not mentioned here. So you have to visit to the website. Let me see the official notification. So the application fee is 615 rupees and you have to submit it through the online remittance and it should be done by the SBI Collect. And let me click on the notification. So this is the detailed notification. You can download it from this link. So here it is downloaded. Okay, so this is the eligibility for the admission. Okay, and yes, let me check for the subjects. Yes, subjects is not given here. Okay, so here this is the subject. Anthropology is there, biochemistry, botany, chemistry, commerce and management studies. So commerce and management studies, a student can also appear in this exam. And economics is there, education subject is there, English is there, Hindi, history. So almost all the subjects they are covering. And here the seats are also mentioned, like in information technology 2 seats are there. So like this you can visit. So total 10 seats are there, 6 are maybe 6 are for general and 2 are for reserved. And like these they have done the segmentation. Journalism and mass communication is also there, Kannada is there, law is there, life science subject is also included, Malayalam, mathematics subject is included, molecular biology is included, music is there, philosophy, physical education is also there. So either you are net qualified or you are having JRF, both students can appear in this exam, in this particular admission. So they are not conducting their own admission, but they are taking the admissions from net only. Okay, so political science, psychology, Sanskrit, statistics, travel and tourism, zoology, all subjects are there. So almost all subjects they are covering. And the last date is 4th of March. So very few days are left. Okay, so these are the subjects and this is the complete notification. Okay. And about eligibility. Okay, so there is criteria for admission that only those who can apply, those who have JRF already, they have cleared the JRF, only those students can apply. So if you are only net, then you cannot apply, or you have any kind of research fellowship provided from the state or central government, then also you can apply. So research fellowship is required for this particular notification. So this is the special feature they have given in the eligibility criteria. Okay, thank you so much. This is the complete notification.